Research complete.
Hello friends, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Let's start a new topic about image reverse. Okay, how we can do this? Like if have any dark area, then it's covered into black, and black area converted into light. Okay, help of like a intensity, it's change, or we can say reverse. Now let's start. Right click here and come to vision, image display, drag here. Okay, Control C, Control V, or you can easy to drag. Okay, like this. Yes, like I'm say reverse. Okay, now let's come on the programming. Right click here, come to vision motion, pin this vision, image create. Now back file, read file. Okay, now what we do, come to image processing and processing. Now you see IMQ inverse. Okay, now select this one. Now turn off. Select control space, control W. Yes, now right click, create a constant. I'm enter 1 and image type, create constant. Okay, yes, now image output, connect to image output, and you see there have image SRC and image mask, image destination. Image SRC connect to this image. Okay, in the destination you need to create a once more. Okay, I'm change the path, that is to name, and new image connect to image destination like this. Okay, arraign not need this one. Right now image output need to connect this one. Okay, now let's okay, now all done. Image mask, image out. Okay, now press Ctrl T. Yes, right click and create a control. This is your file path. Now select to this file path and select your any image. Right now let's choose this one. Okay, or like I'm choose this one. Okay, now click to run. Okay, stop. Okay, right click and create a indicator, hide indicator, view as icon. Same here, indicator, view as icon, and hide indicator. Okay, now let's again run. Now right click and zoom to fit. Okay, okay, let's turn off, maybe some problem. Let's press Ctrl T. Okay, okay, now select this one. Okay, now right click and create a control. You see, right click and visible item label. Okay, now let's again click to run. Okay, and turn on this switch. Okay, now you see, right click and come to zoom to fit. Okay, now you see the like you see the white t-shirt. Okay, white shirt, and you see it's converted into black, and you see here is black converted into white. Okay, you can see, you can easy to see. You can in the background have a little black, and you see it's changed into white. Okay, help with this you can easy to inverse image reverse. Okay, now let's do little modification. Okay, now what we do, right click here and come to vision motion and vision utility, image manipulate, and you see IMQ extract. Okay, you can choose this one also. Connect here, and you see image SRC, connect to this terminal, and I am delete this one. Control B. Okay, Now you see have a image destination, again copy, paste here, and I am entering 3 new image, connect to this one. Okay, and yeah, image destination out. Now click to this one and connect to this terminal. Okay, and otherwise what you need to connect to image src like this. Okay, now have a very important optional rectangle. What you do, right click and create property node ry. Okay, right click, cluster, unbundle by name, select to this terminal, and this output connect to this one. Yes. Okay, now all done. Right click and create a indicator, us icon, right click and hide indicator. Okay, same process, connect to this terminal. Yes, now all done, this output here. Now let's try to run it. Now when I click to run, okay, now what you do, I am select this area, sorry, first click to this rectangle, I am select this area. Okay, and you see, okay, help of this you can easy to deduct, like I am select this area and you see. Okay, and choose this, you see. Okay, you can easy to do, it's very attractive. Thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much guys.